Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, shares, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins guys. Ang 10 pesos coins ito ng Argentina guys, mayroong taon na 1978. Tapusin lang natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Dahil mayroon itong napakataas na price sa ating siling online, umabot ng 23,000 pesos. The 1978 10 peso coin from Argentina is part of the Piso Moneda Nacional or MN series, which was issued in the year surrounding Argentina's transition from the Argentina peso era to Argentine peso or PIS. Here is some historical information and insight into its value. Historical context. Year of issuance. The 1978 10 peso coin was minted in the same year that Argentina hosted the FIFA World Cup. This was a significant event in the country's history, and some coins from this time were issued to mark various national events, including the World Cup. Economic context. During the 1970s, Argentina was experiencing economic instability marked by high inflation and fluctuating currency values. This led to the introduction of new currency series and change in the denominations in circulation, including the 10 peso coins. The design of the obverse or front of the coin features an image of the national coat of arms of Argentina or Argentine, including the Sun of May, a symbol of Argentina's independence. The reverse side of the coins or VAC typically displays the denomination 10 pesos and other associated inscriptions. Material and size. The 1978 10 peso coin was made from copper nickel and measures about 26 mm in diameter. Value. Circulation value. The coin was in circulation during the late 1970s and early 1980s, and its value in Argentina was equivalent to 10 pesos in that period. Collector's value. For collectors, the value of 1978 10 peso coin largely depends on its condition, whether it's in the mint or uncirculated or circulated condition. And rarity. Coins from this era can vary in price as well as preserved coin called fits around 1 to 5 US dollar in general collectors markets. And verified to uncirculated condition, the coin might be valued a little higher. For coins with special characteristics such as limited mintage or unique errors, the price could rise. Conclusion. While the 1978 10 peso coin doesn't hold high monetary value in the general market due to its commonality, it has interest for collectors due to its historical connections to the Argentina's economic situation. And the 1978 World Cup. If you're considering selling or buying this coin, condition, rarity, and market demand will play crucial roles in its price. Yun guys, ang mga nakuha nating impormasyon guys tungkol dito sa ating barya guys. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.